All right, so we're good to go. We're on. Gotta stand up for this one. Spin it around. Okay. Taking it out of the box. Aww, cute. Goodies. Goodies. Silver. So cute. Pink is pretty. All right. Okay. I don't know how to turn this video. Maybe I should just leave it this way. Set up time. We're gonna try set up. I took out all the other stuff. They're right there. I'm doing this on my bed because I don't have a table right now that I can use, or a countertop. But I'm gonna try and set it up and then see where I can put it after I set it up. So I'll let you know. All right, so let's turn it on. And this is where, I'm not sure, this is my first time using it, so this is where it stops. I'm not sure if that's where it's supposed to be. That's the inside. Good. I'm in a yellow shirt, that's the reflection. All right, loading. Yep. Good to go. And the mat, so I'm using 8 by 10. All right, this is the mat. And sorry, I have to use both hands. All right, hold on. I have to be using one hand to do this, so it's a little harder than normal. All right, so there is it. So we're all the way to the edge, all the way to that edge. Okay, all right, let's try again to load. Okay, that's fine. So I'm just gonna put a little tug on it just to ensure that it's in place.